Today we're going to change the strut assembly for the convertible lid. The shocks stopped working. As you can see, when I push the button, the lid does not go up and it does not stay up. So we're going to go ahead and change the strut assemblies, sometimes called the hood lips also, but the lips we're going to go ahead and change. And now we're going to go ahead and show you the location of the strut assembly, the shocks, which are located inside of the trunk, to the left and to the right. That's where both of them are located, and here we go. And now we're going to show you the location of the strut assembly on the driver's side. As you can see, it's located deep within there. We just need a screwdriver to be able to loosen up each end. This is the shock, the strut assembly that we're going to install. We got it from, the only place I could find it on the internet was gmpartcenter.net. Part number is 103763. I'm gonna go ahead and start the one right here. All I have to do is stick the little screwdriver there and lift it up like this, and it allows me to pop it out. Now all I need to do is take the shock off back over here. Put that there. I'm gonna move, and now we're gonna take it from the back over here. Right there, jab it in there. There we go, we got it off. And here is the part. See that? Same number, 103765. 10376352. Boom. This one's useless. Right here, to be able to fit the shock, I wasn't able to just insert it. So I have to use a belt, and we're gonna compress it and hold the shock together, so when I'm in there, I'm able to put one side in, and then the lid gets moved and it adjusts, and I'm able to put this back in, and then the shocks are in. So we're gonna go ahead and compress it and go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna compress it down. Hold it. Down. Put it in that third hole. Not that one, the other one. Kind of hard to get it right out. It's adjusted. It's a little tough, but. Right? Okay. The next one. Yeah, try that. Alright, let's try it. Here we go. So it looks like this. I'm going to put this end first, and then while I'm inside, I'm going to put this end right here. Okay, so I've got the shock inside the belt right here, compressed a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in right here. The front end right here. Here it is. And there it is in there. So now I'm gonna jump inside of the Corvette in the trunk, get locked up, and then go ahead and put that back one in. As it gets adjusted, it'll go back and forth. Then I'll pop it right in, and then we're good. And we'll see how it looks like afterwards. Right here, I just put it in the belt. I don't even know if you can see it. I can barely see myself. But it's right there. There it is. It's inserted right there. So you got to do it with the belt. It allows it to compress inside. Okay, so I went with both shocks are in. We did it with the belt, and now we're going to show you the finale. Push the button right here for the lid. It pops up. Now it stays up, and then I just a barely little push, and there it is. Well, we changed the shocks. I hope this helped you guys. The video helped you guys out a little bit. Go ahead and attempt that yourself now.